My name is Marie-Hélène Raigneau, and I'm the CEO of Altasciences. And for the next minute, I want you to imagine. Imagine partnering with a team that moves with you, who you can trust to always have your back. Imagine the ease of working with only one drug development organization and telling your story once, advancing your drug from non-clinical to clinical proof of concept and beyond, seamlessly, efficiently. Imagine the power to go faster than ever before, and time no longer being your biggest expense. Imagine a world where every client, every project is of equal importance, no matter the size, no matter the spend. But what if you didn't have to imagine? My name is Marie-Hélène Raigneau, and this is Altasciences.